In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create your account on crypto.com exchange and start trading on it. So this video is going to be a complete beginner friendly tutorial to crypto.com. So make sure you watch this video till the very end. First of all, you will have to come on the official website of crypto.com exchange. So open your web browser and search for crypto.com. Now once you are on this page, you need to simply tap on the top right hand corner of the screen and click on this get started option. Over here you need to provide your email address and click on the create new account option. On the next page it will ask you to verify your email address, so you need to check your inbox and verify your email. Afterwards you will be able to create a strong password for your account. Once this step is done, you will be able to basically log in into your account after verifying your email address and creating a strong password for your account. Now once your account is created successfully, if it is not verified successfully, you will see a KYC verification pop up on the home page. So you need to tap on that and you will be landed on the next page where you need to upload a valid ID and a selfie. This usually takes a few minutes to a few hours for approval. Once it is approved successfully, your crypto.com dashboard will look something like this. Over here, in order to deposit the crypto, you will have to tap on the deposit option on the home page and select how do you want to deposit. So basically you need to choose between crypto and cash. You can select crypto if you already have crypto from another wallet, or you can select cash if you want to fund your account using your bank account or any card. Fiat support depends on country to country, so you need to check whether this option is available or not. So let me first of all show you how you can deposit your crypto from any other crypto wallets or the exchanges. So if you tap on the deposit crypto option, you will see the list of all of the cryptocurrencies that you can deposit here. You need to select that particular cryptocurrency which you want to deposit. For example, let's say you want to deposit USDT. After tapping on USDT, you need to select that particular network on which you want to make the deposit. Then it will show you this type of wallet address and a QR code. You need to copy this address and you need to go to that particular exchange and wallet from where you want to send your crypto. There you need to provide this address and you can conclude your transaction. Once this step is done, you will get your crypto in your crypto.com account successfully. Now if you want to deposit with the help of your bank transfer, simply tap on the cash option over here and then you will be landed on the next page where you need to enter the amount that you want to deposit in your crypto.com account. Select a payment method like a bank account or a card, and you just have to continue with the instructions in order to get the deposit in your account. Now in order to trade, once you have successfully deposited the amount, in order to buy or sell the crypto, you will have to come back on the home page, and here you will see all of the favorite cryptos that you can trade like Bitcoin, Ethereum. These are some of the favorite ones. But if you want to search for anything else, you can just go to the markets section in the bottom and you can search for your favorite coin. Now most of you would like to purchase either Bitcoin or Ethereum. This is just an assumption, but you can just select any of your favorite coins. So you need to tap on your favorite coin. For example, let's say Bitcoin. Then you need to enter the amount. You can set the market or the limit order here and tap on the buy BTC option in the bottom. For more control, you can use the advanced trading section with charts and other types and tools. But if you are just starting out, the basic trading panel is perfect for you. Now, once you have traded at crypto.com account, now you want to withdraw your money. So withdrawing the funds is also quite easy. First of all, you need to choose the crypto or the fiat, and then you need to enter the destination details and confirm the transaction, and you can complete the withdrawals. I have created a detailed video on how you can withdraw from crypto.com because that requires a lot of steps for you to understand. So I don't want this video to make big. So make sure that you watch the withdrawal video specifically on the channel. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. If you have any questions, you can do let me know that in the comment section below, and I'm here to help you out with that. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.